Hello, food lovers. Today, we're going to embark on an exciting culinary adventure, creating a Vietnamese delight known as Canh Chua Rong Bien. This dish is so tasty that even Daenerys from Game of Thrones would fall in love with it. Before we dive into the cooking process, let's make sure we have all the fresh ingredients ready. First, we need to select some fresh tomatoes and lemongrass. Then, grab the turmeric leaves, fish sauce, sugar, and peppers. Once you have these ingredients, your kitchen will be ready to cook up a storm. Now comes the fun part. Chopping. Slice your tomatoes and lemongrass into thin pieces. Turmeric leaves are next. Remember to remove the stems before using them. These aromatic leaves will infuse your soup with a rich flavor. Next up is preparing the broth. Combine fish sauce, sugar, and pepper to create a savory base for our soup. Mix these ingredients well until they dissolve to create a well-balanced broth. That will make your soup pop with flavor. Once you've got your broth ready, it's time to cook the soup. Add your vegetables and any other ingredients of your choice to the broth. Let everything simmer until they're soft and tender, a sign that your soup is ready to be served. And there you have it, a delicious Vietnamese treat that even Daenerys would love. If you enjoyed this recipe and video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Remember folks, cooking is not just about food, it's about creating memories and sharing joy with others around us. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking everyone.